Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM Hair Products video. Ladies, I need to call a meeting. I need everybody to come in the room. All of my ladies, I need you to come into the room. If you want to be married. So if you do, come into the room. I need to call a meeting. I need you to put the kids to bed, get dinner, everything out of the way. I need you guys to come into the room. I need to talk to you guys. I need you guys to help me help you, okay? I know you're like, what you mean? How you gonna help me? I'm gonna tell you, I got you. I already got you. I figured it out. I got you. Now, you have been dating this wonderful gentleman for what, year, 2 years? You guys have a beautiful relationship. Everything is going well. His parents love you. You vibe with the family. Everything is going good, but you can't figure out why this man hasn't popped the question. I'm gonna tell you why. And I know you're saying, well, how you know why? I'm going to tell you why. Hold on. Listen. Just work with me. Help me help you. I'm going to tell you why he hasn't popped the question. Boo. I'm going to be a friend to you. He hasn't popped the question. Hear me. Hear me. Follow me. Follow me. He hasn't popped the question because your hair is stinking, boo. Don't get offended. Listen to me. Follow me. You don't realize that you are laying next to this man, under this man, and he is smelling your scalp. He is smelling your hair. How you know that? I got you. Don't worry. One night I was laying in the bed with my husband. We were watching a movie or something like that, and I had my head on his chest, and he was like, honey, your hair smells good. Now, it should have dawned on me that if my head is on his chest, I'm right under his nose, he can smell my hair. But it didn't dawn on me, and I was like, really, you can smell my hair? He was like, yeah. He was like, it smells nice. It smells really good. It's clean. It's not overpowering. It smells really nice. And I was like, oh, thank you. Okay. So I'm like, that's when the light bulb went off. So the next night, we laying down, talking. And he was like, your hair still smells good. Day 2, day 3, 4. My hair still smells good. I'm like, oh, okay. Of course, I can't smell my hair when it's up because it's up. And for me, I keep my hair in protective styles. I keep it in 2 braids underneath my wigs and weaves, and I detangle and wash my hair. I try to do it like every 2 weeks so that my hair does not develop an odor and it doesn't stink. Now, this man loves you. He loves you to death. He don't want to tell you. I can't do this for the rest of my life, boo. Your hair's stinking. He don't want to tell you that. So he like, I'm leery on popping the question. She's the perfect woman. She cooks, she cleans, she supports me. She does everything else. She is the one I've been looking for. But her hair stinks. She wearing these wigs and weaves too long. I don't know if I can do that for the rest of my life. Okay? When you go to the hairstylist, she don't want to tell you because she needs your business. When she taking your weave out, she like this. She gagging because your hair smells awful. Help me help you. Are you following me? She don't want to tell you because she like, this is my client. I need her business. And you hear her gagging if you pay attention. If you get off your phone, you should be like, girl, what's wrong with you? She'd be like, oh, girl, nothing. She don't want to tell you like, this ain't cute. So, here's how I'm going to help you. We are now in what? September? September. So, if you do what I'm telling you to do by Christmas, we can have a possible engagement on our hands. And let's say a wedding next summer in June, July, or maybe a spring wedding, May, April. Okay? Work with me. Work with me. Ladies, stop leaving those braids, wigs, weaves, and extensions in your hair too long. You guys are putting this stuff in your hair and you're leaving it in for 2 months, 3 months. Now, I want you to get this. You wash your hair with your wigs. Your weaves and your braids in, right? I got you. Okay, I'm not knocking that. But how clean do you actually think your hair is getting? You can't get down into those braids, into those tracks, and get your hair clean. Now, on top of that, your hair is not drying completely. So now you have sweat, dirt, buildup, debris, whatever. And you also have moisture. And if your hair doesn't completely dry, moisture breeds bacteria, mold, and odor. You following me? You following me, right? Hair on the surface is popping. It's like, ooh, girl, you it's bomb. You looking good. I got you. You looking good. You take care of yourself. Your hygiene on point. I'm not coming for that. Hygiene on point, always smell good, dressed to the T, shoes matching, all that, beat to the gods. You got all of that, but you still wonder why this dude haven't proposed. Follow me. Work with me. Help me help you. This is what I'm telling you to do. Now, you asking me like, well, how you know? Again, I told y'all in the beginning, if you clicking on this video now, go to the beginning. I was laying in bed with my husband. And he smelled my hair. And he's like, your hair smell good. Now, guess what? I don't necessarily go to bed all glamorous every night, which means I have to take my wigs off. Keeping it 100. I take my wigs off. I put my wig on the stand. And I tie my hair down. My hair is in 2 braids now. And y'all think I'm playing. Hold on. I wish I had scratch and sniff TV. That's what I wish I had. My hair is in 2 braids right now. Don't worry about the parting. This is the way I go to bed. Now, you guys know I'm serious because I don't usually come without my hair wrap and stuff on. Now, my hair is very moisturized and it smells amazing. It smells nice and fresh. It's not overpowering because what I do is this is the way I wear my hair under my wigs. This is the way, as you can see, I wear my hair under my wraps. So when I tie my hair up at night, and also, ladies, wash your scarf. Quit throwing that scarf around and you using it every night, money in and money out. Wash that scarf. Every time you get your hair done, at least once a week, wash your scarf because the scarf is taking on the odor that's in your hair. If you work out, if you go to the gym, you have to keep your hair clean. Now, this is between us. That's why I'm coming to you. I ain't broadcasting it everywhere. I'm coming to you because I'm your sister. We in this together. I want to see you happy. Now, this is the way I wear my hair. My hair is moisturized, as you can see. I have very tightly coiled 4C hair. Now, don't worry about the part because y'all don't see that anyway. So, because that's why my hair is in a wrap or it's braids. Don't worry about my parting. Get the point. The point is my hair is moisturized. And I wish y'all had scratch and sniff TV out because I will put my hair up to this camera lens and let you guys smell it. When you lay next to somebody, you don't want to lay next to somebody and they stink. They have an odor, whether it's their underarms, whether it's their feet, whether it's their mouth, whatever. You don't want to lay next to somebody who has an odor. So what makes you think this man want to spend the rest of his life with you when he smells your hair and it smells horrible? You following me? Help me help you. Now, you're saying, well, what am I going to do? You telling me all of this stuff, but what am I going to do? Boom, I got you. I told you I done thought it out for you. I got you. I want to see you happy. Here's what you're going to do. One, you're going to take that weave out. You're going to wash the weave hair with this. Now, if you have quality hair, human hair, whatever, wash that weave hair with this. This is a detangler. So it detangles weave hair. It's a weave and wig rejuvenator. So I'm saving you money and getting you a husband. Girl, come on now. Quit playing with me. Quit playing. I'm saving you money and I'm going to get you a husband. Now, when you take your extensions out, detangle, shampoo, detangle them and deep condition them with this. You can use them again. Now, for your natural hair, for your hair, detangle and deep condition with the smooth through detangler. If you know this product, if you're familiar with this product, it has a very minty smell. beautiful. If you wear your hair down, one of the compliments I get all the time is, my hair smells good for days after I've done it. Now, I'm going to give you the 1-2 punch. Don't worry, I got you. Work with me. Work with me. Just work with me. I got to give it to you. I got to give it to you the way the Spirit is giving it to me. So I got to give it to you. Detangle, deep condition. When I say deep condition, if you are new to this channel, deep condition meaning apply this to your hair, put on a conditioning cap, sit under the hooded dryer for 15-20 minutes, and allow the heat on a medium setting to allow the heat to penetrate your hair. Now, once that's done, boom, you gonna already know my hair is smelling beautiful. You gonna start tingling inside and on your hair, right? My hair smells beautiful. Confidence gonna go up, boop, 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 about 4 or 5 more notches, because you're already, like I said, you're already on point. But I'm gonna take you to the pinnacle. So now, you want to put your weave back in, right? You want a protective style, like, you know, today's women are business women. We always on the go. We change our hair all the time. Like, I got you. I told you, like, for me, boom, I'll go from this to put on the wig, to put on the lace front, to wrap my hair back up, to put, I got you. Look, I got you. We are every woman. We change every day. We change every day. I tell my husband all the time, my wigs are an accessory. So I might want to be long one day, short one day, bob one day. I want to be natural, power to the people, girl one day. Listen, I got you, okay? So now, if you want to put your weave in, if you want to protect your style, if you want to go do braids, if you want to work out, if you want to do all of that right here. I wish this was scratch and sniff. I would just tell you, scratch the screen and smell this. Scratch and sniff. This is a fresh mint lavender smell. Not overpowering, but the smell lasts for days. This is what you gonna get you the ring, my sisters. You apply the styling aid to your hair however you style it. Now, the styling aid is a moisturizer, so it does contain water. So let's say you silk press your hair, you would only use this, and you're heat protected. You would only use this. You're still going to be popping. Your hair still going to smell beautiful. You're still going to be on point, right? But if you are like me and you change your hair like the wind, like you change your mind, you want to moisturize your hair and protective style it. So, and protect it, not necessarily protective style it. So if you want to wear a ponytail one day, if you want to wear a wash and go the next day, if you want to wear 2-strand twist the day after that, if you want to wear bantu knots the day after that, if you want to put a wig on the day after that, if you want to throw a weave in the following day, if you want to wear box braids the day after that, if you want to wear crochet braids following that, right here. This is what's going to keep your hair smelling nice and fresh. So when you lay next to him and when you lay in his arms, he gonna be like, Lord, you answer my prayers. She's the one. You sent me the sign that she is the one, right? So boom. Now, when you go down the aisle and you have all of those bridesmaids, this is what I want you to do for me. In return, when you walk down the aisle and you have all your 12 bridesmaids and your matron of honor and all of that stuff, and they be like, girl, what made him propose? What made him pop the question? Be like, girl, I'll send you the link. Send them the link to tmhairproducts.com. Send them the link and say, girl, this how you get your man. This how you get him to marry you. Now, think about it. You have done everything. There's no perfect relationship, but you have done everything right. He loves to spend time with you. He loves your family. You love his. Like I said, everything else is lined up in place. But this is the one thing that's out of place. So boom. There you have it, ladies. I have showed you my nakedness because I want you to be as happy as you want to be. If you have not done so, subscribe to this channel. There's a little red button. Click it and turn it gray. Subscribe and get all of my videos because, again, I'm going to give you wonderful advice like this. I'm going to change your life one head at a time. If you have not done so, again, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Share this video with all of your girlfriends. You know what? This meeting was between us, but guess what? You could have meetings with your girlfriends and say, listen, boo, I know why he ain't tied the knot with you. Or if you have a friend who hair, you know, you ain't got it all together. You don't have to be rude. Just say, girl, I want you to watch this video. It's very informative. Boom. Send her the link. Problem solved. If you have not done so again, subscribe. If you have any questions, comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys. Now I got to put my wrap back on because I got to finish recording. But now you see the way I wear my hair under my wraps. If I don't have my hair in a ponytail, this is how I wear it, and this is a protective style. Now, yeah, I'm trying to do this in this little viewfinder because I don't feel like getting up, going to the bathroom. Boom, we back in the game.